Mussolini, the Roman Empire, the destruction of New Jersey, and a GDP of $31,952.98 USD. What do these all have in common? Well, they come from Italy, of course. Do you know what else comes from Italy? Spaghetti and spicy meatballs. But today, I'm going to combine both of them and make a spicy spaghetti. But before I actually did anything, I made sure to get some supplies first. So I went down to my local grocery store to buy habaneros, spaghetti, and tomatoes. But I did it by means of a bike. Well, would you look at that? A straight white male on a bike. Couldn't be more privileged than that. Can you vlog for me?
I'm gonna vlog! It's artsy.
Here, I'll show you what's artsy. Putting the focus all the way down. Panning shot. It's finally solved. Arrest made after 22 years.
Hell yeah.
It's solved. The Queen of 92 collapses. Uh-oh. This old hag's gonna die.
Hell yeah.
Sealed divorce file leaked. Ooh, I want to read that.
What are these?
I don't know.
These? That's what I want to know.
These are the top 15 best and worst moms. Number 15. Drops 100 pounds. Whoa, something got amputated.
It's tomato time. Today we're gonna be doing the the walk around a store challenge.
The walk around the store challenge. Let's
Hell
see if
yeah.
we can walk around a store.
Dude, this is tough. I don't know how long we're gonna last, dude. I already need to take a seat.
I have an idea. Let's do the walk around the ladies section without looking at the model pictures.
Oh, that's impossible. Dude, there's no point. Doing just fantastic. What the?
Yo, this isn't a
What are
good
you
time to
doing?
get out of here.
No, dude, shove the whole thing in your mouth. Don't be a pussy.
Hello everybody, I hope you're having a fantastic Christmas season. Welcome to the second installment of Hals Kitchen. Today we're going to be baking some spicy spaghetti. And when I mean spicy, I mean literally. Oh shit. We got 20 or so habaneros. We got some spaghetti. A tomato. Today we're going to be representing flag. We're gonna be representing Italian flag, pride. Not the Italian flag. We're not representing the Italian flag. We're representing. Moving on. We're gonna start with the water. Yeah, people go all out for this shit. Now we're gonna just heat this up all the way. That's already really hot. And while we're doing that, however, make the pasta sauce. I forgot how to make pasta sauce. Oh yeah, cut it. Right, we're gonna cut it with a cutting board. Would you like some eggnog? Get in the Christmas spirit. All right, we're gonna cut these spicy habaneros. Whoa, shit. Yeah, I think there's like water sizzling up there. I think that's what we're hearing. So we're hearing the water evaporating right there. Oh right, we need to wash them, huh? You know, the Italians say, hey, that's a spicy meatball. When they mean spicy, they mean spicy spaghetti. I'm gonna be eating spicy spaghetti today. Kobe. I'm gonna be doing some ASMR shit. This is so slippery, man. How's that water doing? Pretty good. Cool. Now, we're gonna place this in the trash. Okay. So, now, we're gonna cut. But I want this out of the way, so I'm just gonna cut right here, if you don't mind. I'm gonna put it in here because we're gonna heat it up a little because I don't want no cold shit. I don't want to. Now, the reason why I'm not into tomatoes, why I'm not gonna use tomatoes as a sauce, is one, and instead of I'm gonna use habaneros, is one, I'm going to gag if I eat another tomato, and I'll demonstrate it. What we're doing is we're gonna just cut this. I don't want to ruin the spiciness with the tomatoes or anything, so I'm just going to take like a tiny portion of it. I'm actually going to get the juice. Actually, that doesn't sound like a bad idea. Yeah, I just wanted to look professional. The whole plan all along was just crush it. I just wanted to look like I knew how to cut something. Alright, got that, and there's no other way to do this for other than spaghetti. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna smash it.
I'll fucking stab your family.
Oh, it's like an angry housewife. Yeah, that's better.
Squeezing my pussy real nice.
It's a lot. Yeah, that's a better alternative. Yeah, because the lining's over there. Okay. Eureka moment. Guys, I'm retarded. Got a crooked angle there. Okay, so we have this I can't, I'm done. I'm done. Got lasagna. Boy oh boy, that is some spicy lasagna. That's not lasagna. I lied. It's spaghetti. I think this is good enough for one boy. Maybe a little more. Get some of this in. Yeah, I like this. This is cute. I want this inside of me. That blender figured out. Oh! Dude. Oh, fuck, smell that. Do I want to do this? Oh! Oh, God. Just get it out, just get it out. I don't fucking hurts. Who fucking cares about the audio? Just get it out, man. My nose is fucked.
Oh, fuck! Oh, it's so hot!
What? You tried it? Oh. I'm gonna have to eat this. That is so bad. Merry Christmas, everybody. It smells horrible. Oh. This is ready. That's pretty much ready. We can start serving, so cut the cameras. As I was preparing the dish, I knew that I myself was not prepared for the dish after smelling it. I've never even had a tenth of what was to come in my entire life. After taking my first and only bite, I gave it a nickname in my head, the Spaghetti Devil. Tonight, we're gonna celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ, our Savior and Lord. The only Lord, in fact. So let's dig in. Yeah, I'm gonna just give it a nice little stir. Oh my God. Oh, that's even worse. Dude, smell this. Oh. Yep. I'm a huge pussy when it comes to peppers, so. Bon appetit. As I was trying to swallow the spaghetti devil, I was choking, my body rejecting the distant breeze of manhood, and my voice silenced. It was about a very long and quiet minute and a half before I gave up and tried to suppress the fire within. It won't. It won't.
Still got a full plate of spaghetti left.
Fuck you! Fuck! It's getting worse! Dude, I'm a pussy. I'm a huge fucking pussy! We're children who are pussies. I'm like getting really close to throwing up. Like every time I drink milk, I'm like gagging. It like triggers a gag reflex. I feel like if the throw up comes up, then it's gonna make it even worse. It's like it's like eating another bite.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I'm gonna have the craziest shit. But this is content though, right? See, I don't see content or art, anything for that. I don't see colors. I see money.
See green.
Just green.
It's a color.
Yep. Well, and gold, which is a pigment of yellow. Where is it? It's like a shiny pigment of yellow. Yeah. Thanks, pal. Anyway, this spaghetti is the devil. So, well, it's easing down now. But I'm like, I feel really nauseous. Probably because I drank like half a liter of milk. Alright, it's gone. Let's do another bite. That shit goes down really quick. Oh my god. There was habanero on my hands and I just rubbed my eyes. Oh no! Dude. Oh, this. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh shit, it's in my eyes. Oh, and my ass, dude. My fucking ass, my fucking eyes, and my fucking sinuses. Everything sucks. Ah!
Want me to throw some water at your face?
No. Yes.
Okay.
I just want to say, thank you guys for watching. No. Thank you guys for watching. I just want to say happy birthday to my boy, Jesus Christ the Lord. I love you, man. I want to dedicate this one to my boy, Jesus Christ the Lord and Savior. Praise. I'll see you in the next video.